Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can withdraw cash from your Chime account. So in order to withdraw cash from your Chime account, you just need to follow these simple steps. So what you have to do is basically you have to go and log into your Chime account first thing first. Next thing you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and then open up your Chime application. Next thing you want to do is at the bottom of the page you could see this option as a lot of tabs, so go ahead and press on move money. As soon as you press on the move money tab, next thing you want to do is click on withdraw. When you press the option withdraw, you'll be taken to the next field where you have to go ahead and enter in the recipient details. As you enter in the recipient details, you'll be taken to the next field where you have to enter the exact amount. Once done entering the exact amount, then you need to go ahead and confirm your transaction. So this way you'll be able to withdraw cash from your Chime account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.